The tiger, also known as the king of the jungle, is one of the most mesmerizing and mysterious creatures in the wild. With its bright orange coat adorned by bold black stripes, graceful movement, and piercing gaze, the tiger is not only a symbol of raw power, but also of elegance and precision in the natural world. Scientifically known as Panthera tigris, the tiger is the largest species in the cat family. Adult tigers can weigh anywhere between 90 to over 300 kilograms, depending on their subspecies and habitat. Historically, tigers roamed vast parts of Asia, from the icy landscapes of Siberia to the lush tropical forests of Southeast Asia. Today, there are 6 remaining subspecies of tigers: the Bengal tiger, the Siberian tiger, the South China tiger, the Malayan tiger, the Sumatran tiger, and the Indo-Chinese tiger. Sadly, all of these subspecies are endangered due to illegal poaching and habitat destruction. One of the most striking features of a tiger is its unique stripe pattern. Like human fingerprints, noted tigers have the same set of stripes. These black stripes on a reddish-orange background serve as natural camouflage, allowing the tiger to blend seamlessly into the forest undergrowth. Tigers are solitary hunters. Unlike wolves or lions, they hunt alone using stealth and patience. A tiger doesn't chase prey over long distances. Instead, it stalks silently through tall grasses or forests and pounces when the moment is right. One leap from a hidden spot can cover up to 10 meters, enough to take down large prey like deer or wild boar. Their jaws are incredibly strong, and their canine teeth up to 10 centimeters long can pierce through the neck or spine of their prey with ease. Tigers prefer hunting at night, when their eyes, adapted to the dark, give them a significant advantage. Despite their solitary nature, tigers have complex emotional lives. They communicate through vocalizations, scent markings, and body language. Each adult tiger claims a large territory, sometimes covering hundreds of square kilometers. They mark their territory with urine, claw marks, and distinctive calls to warn others away. During the mating season, males and females come together briefly. After that, the female raises her cubs alone. A tiger can give birth to 2 to 4 cubs per litter. At birth, tiger cubs are blind, weigh only about 1 kilogram, and are completely dependent on their mother. She protects them fiercely, teaches them to hunt, and nurtures them until they're ready to survive on their own, usually at around 2 years of age. As apex predators, tigers play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. By keeping populations of herbivores like deer and wild pigs in check, they help preserve vegetation and the overall health of forests. Without tigers, entire ecosystems could collapse. In many Asian cultures, tigers are seen as sacred animals, symbols of courage, power, and protection. But paradoxically, they are also victims of myths and greed. Poaching, driven by demand for tiger bones, skin, and body parts, has decimated their population. From an estimated 100,000 wild tigers a century ago, fewer than 4,000 remain in the wild today. However, all hope is not lost. Conservation organizations, governments, and communities are working tirelessly to protect the last wild tigers. Protected reserves have been established, anti-poaching laws are being enforced, and education efforts are raising awareness about the importance of tiger conservation. Modern technologies like infrared cameras, satellite tracking, and AI are helping researchers monitor tiger movements and prevent illegal hunting more effectively. The tiger, majestic yet vulnerable, represents the raw beauty of our planet's biodiversity. Every quiet step it takes, every roar that echoes through the forest, is a reminder that nature still breathes so long as we choose to protect it. Let us cherish and preserve this iconic species so future generations too can witness the proud silhouette of the tiger moving through the jungle, wild and free.